So, you're trying to decide between using Shopify or building your own custom website from scratch? Let's break it down so you can pick the one that actually fits your goals. Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform. You don't need to know how to code, design, or manage servers. Just sign up, choose a theme, add your products, and start selling. Everything's handled for you. Hosting, security, payment processing, inventory tools, even marketing features. It's perfect if you want to get your store live fast and focus on growing your business instead of fighting with tech stuff. Now, building your own website gives you total control. If you have the skills, or a developer, you can create something completely unique. Custom design, specific features, full ownership over every detail. But here's the catch. It takes more time, money, and ongoing maintenance. You'll need to handle hosting, security updates, payment integrations, and scaling yourself, which can get really complex, especially if you're just starting out. So which one is better? If you're looking to start selling fast, keep things simple, and grow without headaches, Shopify wins hands down. But if you have technical skills, a bigger budget, and want full creative freedom, building your own site might be worth the effort. It's not about which is better overall. It's about what works best for your timeline, budget, and how much control you actually need. Let me know in the comments which one you're leaning toward. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews.